Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, and this is a quick unboxing and first initial review of a Fenix 6X Pro Solar. So you may have seen my videos before. I have a Fenix 5X here, and Fenix 6X has just been released. So I opened this up last night, so this is not an unboxing video, so I just put it on just to kind of set it all up. And just to go through the initial differences between a 5X and a 6X. Now this is the 5X from 2 years ago, so this is not the slight upgrade that happened last year. I tend to kind of leave things for upgrading like every sort of 2 years because there seems to be more of a difference than the small incrementals. And I must admit, I did say in my past videos that the 5X was a brilliant watch and I would probably never upgrade again due to the costs. However, upgrade-itis being what it is, and I'm afflicted by it, as probably many of you are, when you see the features of something like this come out, you just can't help yourself. So I've got a great deal on Cotswolds, so I decided to go for it. So I managed to get a discount because I'm part of a association of mountaineering instructors. But initially, just to go through the differences, and why I think one of the main reasons why I wanted this watch is that the one issue I have that I've had in the past is just battery life, and the battery life on this is brilliant. It's better than most smartwatches out on the market. It doesn't have as many features as some of the Android watches and things like that, but about 10 days is there or thereabouts, 10% per day. But if you put it on tracking mode and you do running or you go out biking like I do, then that can reduce down. I've managed to get to about 12 days, but there's been the odd occasion because of this sort of strange attachment of the power strap on there. If you don't have the Garmin one, I've got two, and you don't always remember to take them on holiday with you or something like that, and I know you should, but it happens from time to time, and it's really annoying when your watch dies on you midway through being away. And it has happened once or twice, maybe only twice. So yeah, going over to the 6X, 21 days of battery power, and plus also with the solar, you can pick that up to about 25. There are lots of different battery modes that you can put on there to reduce some of the features that you can get up to, I think up to about 80, something like that, which is pretty mad. I know on this one as well, you can put it into sort of a less smart mode, turn off a lot of the features, and you get more battery life out of it. So initially getting it out, it's a lovely looking watch, as most of the Fenixes are. Let's just take this off so you can see them side by side. The strap's very different to the original Garmin. Let's try and pull this off. Okay, so it has like this kind of ribbed effect going on. This makes it quite soft and pliable, and it has like this sort of matte finish to it as well. This on this watch is not the original Garmin watch strap, because mine actually broke. I did a video on that where it started to break on the inside, which I hadn't really noticed, which is a bit alarming that I could have lost my watch in the sea. So maybe there's been some product development on the straps to get a longer lifespan on there, but we'll just have to see. So I like the strap, it's nice. The watch itself, although when you look at it sort of face on, it really doesn't look a great deal different. Let's put that on the back, see if we can see. They almost kind of line up perfectly, but I think they've slightly changed the angle of the way these come down, and it's slightly thinner. This section on the back is flatter, so it feels nicer on the wrist, whereas this kind of pushes in. I don't know if you can kind of see that, whether I've got that leveled up to the camera perfectly, but it kind of, I don't know, it just feels nicer on the wrist than the old 5X. That's what I'm just trying to get to the point. So visually they look the same, sort of diameter wise, so they don't, it doesn't look any larger. It looks slightly smaller, if anything, and that's probably just due to the height difference. But the big thing to take away from this is the screen size. It's It's a huge improvement. If you can possibly see here on the back one, if I light this up, you've got this black kind of screen bezel as well as the metal bezel around there, which reduces oh, there we go, I've got a text message coming in. So you can see the screen size is way bigger. It's really nice. It's nice the fact that you've got that almost edge to edge screen. There's only a small sort of black bezel there. There's a tiny amount there which is part of the solar panel. Yeah, really nice. They've bumped up the resolution as well, obviously, because they're increasing the size, so it looks great. It gives you more real estate really to put more information on there, or just larger text. So when you run in and you're kind of trying to look at your stats or whatever, you know, tiny text is really quite difficult to read. So bigger screen size is a massive win for this. So the two main things really I'm looking forward to is increased battery power and the larger screen. There are loads of other new features that are on this that I hadn't got on the 5X, and as I find those out, I shall drop some videos on those. So if anybody's got any questions that they want to know about the 6X over the 5X, post them on the comments below, and I will do an update video with whatever you're asking, or just reply back to you. So thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it's been informative for somebody out there. If you're thinking of getting a 6X, then stay tuned to this channel, because I shall put up some more videos and do my normal sort of 3 and 6 month review to see how it's wearing, battery life and all that stuff. So thanks again. See you soon. Bye.